Good morning, everyone. Good morning again. Um, it's a quick update on my Nissan Leaf battery. I don't have BMS yet. Right now I complete all the seven, so it's 49 each pack of this. That 7 is still heavy, but it's okay, It's not too bad for a 7 in a pack. So this is 7 series with 7 in each pack, a total of 49 and roughly 24.7 kilowatt hours. And this side is lithium, a Nissan Leaf, and that side is lead acids. So why would I do this? It's two bank. Those 20 kilowatt roughly, that's 400 amp hour, is roughly 400 something. But yes, it's if I do roughly, it's about almost 45. Total is around 45 kilowatt hour, and I need to assemble the rest of it. But right now, maybe at the next weekend somehow to get all up running. But I need two more because each Nissan Leaf has only 48, so I need one more for to make 49. But I stole one of from the second pack to make 49 for this pack, right? You got 48, you stole one from here. So right now this one is only what, 47, so you need two more. Yeah. If I buy individually, it's about $70 a piece, so it's 140 for another two piece. And yeah, some more right here, not just only here, but yeah, and to run my servers and to mine the Bitcoin. Technically, it's not my Bitcoin, but my altcoin. But yeah, it's pretty well since yesterday till now. And look at it, I see the voltage right now is only 47.2. Yes, it depleted slowly, but by now the sun risings, and uh, the because I wire to suck the power from the grid tie. So right now the hybrid is generate the signal to make the grid tie powers. So technically it's still off grid, but because I have a hybrid Snyder here that generate the signal connect to the this one to power it. So this one have the most receive the most sunlight in the morning compared to the other. Compared to the off-grid, completely off-grid with magnet signs, this is completely, there's two separate system right now that I wire in here. And this box contain two separate system. But anyway, there's a quick update on the 7 series. On this one, I will update it next time when I complete another 7 of this, when I receive another 2-pack additional and the BMF wiring. I'm choosing Bedtrim, but it's on order right now. It's not gonna come soon because it's Australia. I don't know how long it's international, so we'll see. Stay tuned. I'll do a quick update later. Okay, see you later. Thank you for watching and support. Bye.